Louisville Metro Air Pollution Control District continuously monitors the air in support of the Clean Air Act and to determine compliance with the National Ambient Air Quality Standards, or NAAQS, which are protective of public health for all Louisville residents. The district monitors for the EPA criteria pollutants, ozone, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, particulate matter, and carbon monoxide. We also measure airborne radiation, as well as toxic volatile organic compounds. The district also maintains a suite of meteorological instruments which measure precipitation, ambient temperature, relative humidity, wind speed and direction, and solar radiation. This monitoring is conducted at 5 sites throughout the city, which have been chosen in adherence to the Code of Federal Regulations and approved by US EPA. These rigorous siting rules ensure that the data that we collect is the most protective of all Louisville residents. Air monitoring sites are located at Carruthers Middle School, where we monitor for particulate matter, ozone, wind speed, ambient temperature, and relative humidity. Durrett Lane, we monitor for particulate matter, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, ambient temperature, relative humidity, wind speed, and direction. This site serves as a near road site, which is vital for research of traffic influence on pollution levels. Algonquin, APCD monitors for particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, toxic volatile organic compounds, wind speed and direction, ambient temperature, and relative humidity. Watson Lane Elementary School. This site monitors particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, ozone, and wind speed and direction. Cannons Lane. Our Cannons Lane site is an in-course site. In-course sites are designated by the EPA to facilitate a uniform set of measurements nationally that cover all criteria pollutants and meteorology. The robust suite of instruments at in-course sites supports national level pollution modeling, timely public data reporting via AirNow, accountability of emission strategy progress, and supports research ranging across technological, health, and atmospheric disciplines. Parameters measured at Cannons Lane are particulate matter, ozone, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, total reactive oxides of nitrogen, ambient temperature, relative humidity, wind speed and direction, precipitation, and solar radiation. Additionally, Cannons Lane is part of the Chemical Speciation Network, or CSN, that chemically speciates particulate matter. This also supports the United States Geological Survey's National Atmospheric Deposition Program that chemically speciates precipitation. Also, Cannons Lane is part of RADNet, a network which measures airborne radioactive particulate. The APCD Air Monitoring Team is a small collection of air quality scientists who annually collect 30 million data points that are legally defensible and accurately represent ambient conditions. The extensive process starts with developing documents that govern our work, including a quality assurance project plan that defines measurement quality objectives, data quality objectives, and personnel requirements, a network plan that addresses siting, equipment that is approved by EPA as Federal Reference Methods, or FRM, and Federal Equivalency Methods, or FEM, and overall monitoring activities in coordination with regional partners such as the Kentucky Division of Air Quality and the Indiana Department of Environmental Management and US EPA. Additionally, standard operating procedures are developed for each quality control and quality assurance activity. All of these documents are internally reviewed, revised, and resubmitted for review by EPA on a regular basis as dictated by the Code of Federal Regulations. In the field, we assure accuracy by using calibration standards such as temperature probes, flow meters, humidity probes, anemometers, EPA protocol gases and dilution calibrators, which are all certified and traceable back to the National Institute of Standards and Technology, or with independent laboratories that are NIST traceable. APCD regularly performs internal field audits using separate equipment with the same requirements, and this process is repeated during third-party audits conducted by the Kentucky Division of Air Quality and US EPA. All data, field, and laboratory forms are also audited during the data validation process before being certified by US EPA and uploaded to the Air Quality System, or AQS. Maintaining the monitoring network is a constant task that requires the air monitoring team to possess a multitude of skills. Site shelters often require light construction like drilling roof penetrations and running communications infrastructure. Monitoring equipment regularly needs complex electronic and mechanical repairs, testing, and calibrations. Performing these tasks in-house saves Metro government tens of thousands of dollars per year. US EPA conducts a top-to-bottom technical systems audit of APCD air monitoring every 3 years. What does the future hold for APCD air monitoring? At Durrett Lane, we will begin monitoring black carbon. At Cannons Lane, we will be implementing photochemical assessment monitoring, or PAMs, that will include speciation of volatile organic compounds that are ozone precursors, installation of a salometer to characterize the atmospheric mixing layer, and add monitoring for ultraviolet radiation. APCD is also pushing the envelope in emerging technologies by testing new, lower-cost sensors that have the potential to increase spatial, temporal resolution of monitoring. This has also allowed us to facilitate sensor research such as the Green Heart Project. Currently, APCD has sensors deployed at Cannons Lane and Durrett Lane. APCD strives to stay on the leading edge. For example, we were one of the first agencies to fully implement optical-based FEM particulate measurement using broadband spectroscopy. For current conditions, you can check APCD's Louisville Air Watch or EPA's AirNow website.